The lace is actually darker than I thought it was. Now that I see it, I'm like, uh-oh. Because it's not really blending the way I would want it to. Oh gosh. I definitely probably should have picked this up and saw it. But this is the parting space around it. I have long sideburns, so I mean the hairline doesn't look terrible, but it doesn't look the most amazing either. Ain't gonna lie, the lace is looking very dark, but it's because it's already dark. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take the bun out because it's gonna just irritate the crap out of me. I really got a synthetic wig. I haven't had one in like years. Like years on years. When I tell y'all how much I paid for this wig, y'all are looking at me so crazy. Like, anyways, I really shouldn't even bought the wig due to what was going on in the store at the time. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace first, even though I don't normally do that, but yeah, I'm just gonna do that this time. And of course, I'm gonna use a zigzag motion. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hot comb it back whatever I can so it doesn't get caught in the glue. But yeah, when I got there, it was this guy that needed help. Like, we were helping him out, and I had no problem with doing that because of course I love talking about hair. But you know how you just browse around, and of course there's some people that ask you if you need help over and over. But one of the men that were there, I don't know if he was the owner or what. All right, so I'm just gonna slide it back and start placing my glue right there. So I'm gonna be using the Eppin Black Spray Super Hold because you already know. But before I do that, first I'm gonna go over my hairline with this alcohol. But yeah, he was just standing by us and like just lingering. And it's, you know, the same vibes of like getting followed in the store. If we say we don't need help, I don't need you to just stand over here over me. Like, what are you doing? Like, be real, when somebody hovering over you in the store, it puts pressure on the purchase, on you to go ahead and figure out what you want to get. And I was still browsing, I was still, you know, chopping it up and whatnot. And so I really just felt like, I just don't like that. It just gives rude, even though you're trying to do your job, but you're really trying to tell us to get gone. And I don't like that. But here I am gluing the wig on because I didn't want to go to another store. And that's why laziness is gonna hold us back as a community. Like, we're gonna have to be willing to stand on what we say a little bit more. Bro, my camera is already dying. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a new battery pack because I think I left this charging like all day one time. Like overnight, I completely forgot about it, and that clearly just was not the best move. So I'm gonna still try to do this in sections and do like the kind of middle area and then the sides because I can never get it all done at once. Trying to get over the blow dryer. Why? So I let it get tacky. You're doing that. It's like not laying flat. Like, is there hair I do or something? Okay. move this a bit far forward for the hairline to be looking like this. But I'm gonna let myself live. I will let myself live. So now I'm gonna pull out my baby hairs and we're gonna go ahead and put more foundation on it. I wish I had cream. Now I'm going to part off the baby hairs, the ones that I already had up here. Now I'm gonna go in with the spritz to, you know, finalize the melt, quote unquote. And tie it down. So y'all, the camera's dying. I'm just gonna try to style it, and then I hope to charge this and let you guys see it. So I might be cutting layers and everything in that, but maybe I can just insert footage from my phone. It's kind of cute long, but it's giving like Wonder Woman. You know, I feel like that glue is like actually super tacky. Like for real, for real. We're gonna go with 360. So while that's heating up, honestly, y'all, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and start. Alright, so that's one side. You like that? Ow, my wrist. How do the girls do this? Yeah, so this side was way worse than the other side. Obviously, because that's my dominant side. What we're gonna do is go ahead and style this mess, and then we'll see what everything is talking about. Do baby hairs and a final melt where you see what it looks like, and take my W or take my L. Y'all, so this is the final look. I'm so sorry about it cutting off. I'm gonna try to add in the footage from my phone so y'all can see it. I still haven't added concealer to the part, so we can do that together. But yeah, overall, I'm just disappointed in myself for not checking that, because I just don't feel like it was worth the money. And then I honestly did not do the greatest job cutting it. It is what it is. It was supposed to just be a quick hairstyle type deal, so I'm not 100% mad at it. I just might as well have tried the quick weave for $100. I probably could have got 3 bundles for that amount. And it's like a lot more parting space in this one area, but the hair does not lay right. So that's about as far as I'm actually gonna be able to do it, unless I put it in a ponytail, which is clearly the main reason for this wig. Rating this wig, I probably give it a 7 out of 10. I mean, the lace is straight. It's still a bit dark, but it's not terrible. The plucking was okay. And maybe had I not cut it, it'd be doing better than it's doing. But I just felt like it looked unrealistic, and I wanted it this length anyway. So yeah, if you're interested in this hair, definitely check out your local beauty supply store. This is what it is. Me personally, I wouldn't recommend it. I would say go on Amazon and use a well-known brand. I'm gonna try to put it on the screen because I've seen this girl do synthetic wigs and she just be eating them, and I really feel like I had a better chance if I had the full frontal. So that really pissed me off, especially for the amount of money I paid. I paid $100 for this wig. $100 down the drain. Like, I'm going human hair next for sure, and then maybe the next time I am ready to be burned by a synthetic wig, I'll order it from Amazon. That's my tea anyway. Give me some tips on synthetic wigs down in the comment, girl, and how to cut, because that's really where I messed up. But the lace, I mean, she really isn't bad. You can clearly see her, because I can clearly see her. but she's not terrible. She really isn't. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like if you liked it, you know, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Give me some ideas down below. Hey, I'm Jasmine. Nice to meet you. Let's be friends. Okay. And I'll see you in the next video.